So, I have this bug and it's ruining my game. Let me ask you a question first. What's the most important thing to a battle royale? A. Weapons. B. Low attack bugs. C. Neither. You'll probably answer A or B, but it's C. And what is most important in my opinion is collisions. Collisions are responsible for hit detection, pickup, bugs, ensuring you don't fall through the ground, wars, and basically the fact that you actually don't walk through wars. Consider the amount of collisions that the most famous battle royale, Fortnite, and the amount of collisions it has. Hit detection, pickups, building placement, the list goes on. But what was this fatal bug? So basically, the gun was not spawning an effect. This was bad because the gun's not actually firing a bullet, it's firing a laser. I'll explain. The laser detects the first object that has no collisions, but no effect, illusion goes broken. Only problem, why was it entering literally the building? How does a bullet go through a building? That would break the illusion so badly that, yeah, game breaking. So, firstly, I tried to check the hit and if it was spawning. Well, I checked and guess what? Nope, not there. So then I tried to check if it was actually spawning because my blueprint might have been a corrupted file. Nope, not there either. In the end, it was in the settings of the hit scan. Yes, in the settings where it all began. Bruh moment. Also, I got to work on the map that I mentioned last devlog, which, if you haven't already checked out, you should do so now. Crater City needed some improvement, so I got to work on a blockout. You can watch the entire blockout footage on this channel. Thanks to your feedback, I've created a to-do list for Crater City. Firstly, for the Crater City procedural generation algorithm improvements. I'm planning to use wave function collapse. I've linked a great tutorial on wave function collapse, literally its own topic, in the description. But in layman's terms, well, for your numpties, it collapses all the possibilities of the surrounding tiles to fit the environment, according to a set of rules. So it means that I don't have to hard code as much stuff, which is good. I also need a vote in the comments of this video. Should Crater City have a river? I could also make it so that there is a new choke point for battle, the bridge. I'm also changing my YouTube strategy from now on. My videos are going to be more regular, however not as much for the next few weeks due to exams. But expect a collab coming soon. But that's it for this video. If you want to know what happened in Candyfront last video, watch this.